Tran, and today I'll introduce to you about transdermal microneedles for single administration vaccines. So many vaccines require multiple bolus injection doses in order to be effective, and the incomplete vaccination could prevent the successful global immunization and may lead to the resurgence of deadly infectious disease. So the concept of single administration vaccines, which is recognized as a preferable vaccination approach by the WHO, has been investigated for many years. Researchers have been focusing on developing a new vaccine delivery system that is injection-free and requires only one-time administrations. So transdermal microneedles for vaccine delivery has raised a lot of interest recently. So here we present the development and preclinical testing of a biodegradable, fully embedded transdermal core shell microneedle system, which only requires one-time insertion under the skin and automatically perform a delayed burst release of vaccines over a predictable period of time, mimicking multiple bolus injections in a traditional vaccination process. This is an advantage which has not been achieved in any other reported microneedles. So to create this core shell microneedle structure, we employ a micromolding and 3D alignment processes and rely on the degradations of the microneedle shell that make from a biodegradable polymer PLGA to engineer the release time of the microneedles. So we can tune the delayed burst time from a few days to several months, and that had been tested in both in vivo and in vitro conditions. So in the next step, we loaded the microneedle with the clinically used vaccines called Prevnar 13. So Prevnar 13 is a vaccine helps protect against the pneumococcal bacteria that cause serious infections in children and adults. So we see that from a single time administrations of Prevnar 13, it can provide a substantial immune response in rats, similar to that obtained from the multiple bolus injections. And when we challenged the animal with bacteria, we saw 100% survival in animals receiving Prevnar 13 loaded partial microneedles. And there is no long-term skin irritations or inflammation observed from the implantation of the microneedles. So the microneedle has successfully operated as a single administration vaccine delivery system. And for the COVID-19 pandemic, for example, the microneedle could significantly facilitate the immunization campaign. This is painless, safe, high patient compliant one-time administration, but still provide an effective immune protection against infectious disease. So my work has been published in Nature Biomedical Engineering, and thank you so much for listening.